Damn, Teach.
Knocking them out, baby.
Authorized installer.
This is like your 5th street hunter car that you guys have had. You did Calvin's, you did mine, you did Senpai's, you've done that one. This will be your 5th.
5th.
Not bad.
We're getting okay at them, huh?
That's not bad. I'm impressed. So yeah, we just pretty much mounted it, did all the aligning work, and now all the boys got to do is, well, I guess all the hard stuff really. Body, paint, cut, weld.
What did you just ask me
I'm
for?
not gonna ask you on camera now.
Okay.
I do need. What'd you guys use for the old buttholes?
He's like, do you have extra buttholes? I was like, what?
Buttholes. Yeah, your butthole plugs. What'd you use for that?
They're just little clips.
Yeah, they're nice. Oh, they're just like, you have little chody boys.
Yeah.
Do you have extra ones that I
Yes, of course. Of course.
Yeah,
anything for you.
I need it. My whole.
I would love to fill your holes.
Yeah, dude. Calvin could use a little plug. You know what I mean? A little plug, bro. Calvin's a bit loose.
Little bit.
A little bit, a lot.
It's been ran through.
Yeah, I train. I'm on my 3rd.
You're on your 3rd what?
I'm on my 3rd hole.
Your 3rd hole.
I got a hole replacement. Height train running through right there, dude. So I can pull the truck up.
And you still haven't put the end plates on.
They're not. Hey, are they painted?
They are painted.
Oh, you said that you had hardware. I have hardware. I'm just waiting to get it. Yeah, come on, man.
What does that have to do with the end plate though?
Well, you can't mount the head plates without the hardware going right there.
You can't take them off and put them back on. And you can...
We don't have the hardware for it. There's special hardware coming. We have like a new one that we like.
What happened with the ones that came with it?
No! God, please, no! 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 Hey, that costs extra, baby. Can't be filming that, baby. Why does this feel sketchy? It's a little
Oh, that new?
Crash this car. You'll find out soon.
Many hours later.
Okay, since we got this car already up on jack stands, went ahead and removed the wheels off the car. Put them right here in my truck. We're gonna go ahead and take these over here to Olive Tire to get mounted. Okay, so these are the new wheels for Daniel. Premium revolve wheels. Super deep. Running at 325 in the back, 265 up front. But of course we have to remove the TPMS off his old wheels. So let's go ahead and switch those out. Damn, Daniel. With the camber wear again, bro.
Damn, Daniel. Damn, Daniel. Damn, Daniel.
Damn, Daniel. Coming in hot with the camber wear again. To the wire, Holmes. Look at this. Hey, get your boy, man. What is this? Pretty much what Luis here is gonna do is pretty much remove the TPMS and transfer them on to the new wheel setup. Now we can kind of do a test fitment and see if the kit needs to be trimmed or anything for the wheels, and then we'll be good to go. Then we'll be ready to take a look at these things. Hopefully today in this video we'll actually test fit them, sit the car down, and get a good look what this thing is gonna look like. What do you think, man?
I can't
think
wait
it's
to
gonna
see
look sick?
I know it's gonna look sick. It's definitely gonna look sick. I definitely want to see the wheels and tires on that car.
The only thing, I'm gonna be honest, I'm not sure about this color combo. What do you think? Do you guys have something
you wanna put me on
planned?
the spot like that?
Yeah, I'm putting you on the spot like that.
Dang.
I need to know.
I overheard Daniel saying that there might be another plan. I don't know. I guess you gotta check out the channel. But yeah, I heard there might be something planned.
Alright, so something planned. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop the premium channel right here. So go ahead and subscribe to them and you will be able to see what the plan is. Cause I don't know, man. For me, I'm not seeing the vision, but obviously you guys know what premium does. So I'm sure they could tie this in very easily. So we'll see. Okay, so we got the wheels on. They look great, by the way, but we have one issue. Look at the rub right here on this driver's side where the accident was versus the rub on the exact opposite side, and we have space, we have clearance. So that tells me that maybe, due to the accident, that either something's still bent or it could be alignment. But right now we have to get the rest of this car done as far as the body work and paint work goes. But the mechanical suspension portion is definitely going to be something that we have to look at to get this car ready for Daniel. All right, we cleaned this thing up. Tomorrow morning, we're gonna go ahead and take it to get an alignment. That way we can get everything kind of sitting how it needs to be, especially this this left rear, driver's side rear wheel. Looks like it's bent a little bit. So we'll take that to alignment tomorrow morning. Meanwhile, we'll start prepping out the rest of the kit for that car and get everything in the paint. We're getting pretty close on getting this thing finished. Damn, my job sucks. I gotta drive this short bed C10 to go get an alignment and go pick up this Supra. Let's go ahead and drive this thing. We just did a whole bunch of suspension work on this thing, like the A-arms and stuff like that, the CPP kit, along with the digital Dakota and a new steering column. So let's go ahead and drive this thing over there. I'm not going to record while I'm driving because this is a very expensive truck. So but I will record when we get to the alignment shop, kind of see what they did with the Supra to make sure that it's good to go and see how it drives. So I just picked up the Supra right here at Accurate Alignment. Now I gotta drive Daniel's car back to the shop and get this thing ready to get the kit installed. Low key, I feel like a baller in this thing. All right, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. We went ahead and ran through all the body work on the kit, got the car cut and welded, put the nutserts in here, took the car to alignments. Next video, you're gonna see us prepping out this kit and getting it painted and installed. Thank you, Daniel, for being so patient with us. Here we have the kit drying up. That epoxy primer is getting really nice and hard.
That's what she said.
So that's gonna be really nice when it's all done. So you guys been following the channel for a little bit. Last week we talked about a giveaway. Here's the giveaway winner for last week's giveaway. If you guys didn't watch last week's video, I went ahead and told you if you guys had stuck around for that video till the end, go ahead and comment on YouTube and go ahead and go to IG and tag 5 friends on our latest post. So you guys did that. I'm only gonna pick one every week, and I'm gonna go ahead and offer you guys the same chance. Go ahead and comment and say, hey, I lasted to the end, and hop on IG, go ahead and tag 5 friends. We'll announce the winner next week. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click the like, do all that for your boy, and follow us on IG. Let us know that you like this content. Let us know what you want to see. Okay, we got a Z32 build coming up next, and we got a whole lot of other stuff, man. Whole lot of content for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Here at SOS Customs, we got you covered.